Hello everyone, welcome back to the DBA series. Today we are going to discuss about the level 1 cumulative backup in Oracle RMAN. Okay, what is cumulative backup? Level 1 cumulative backup backs up all the blocks that have changed since the last level 0 backup. This level 0 is the entire full database backup. Okay, even if you run cumulative backups every day like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every day if you run this one, each backup will be includes the level 0 backup. Okay, that is the entire full database will be includes. But in differential level backup, the level 0 will be not included for the next Tuesday, Wednesday if I taken level 0 on Sunday. Okay, that is the main difference between the differential level and cumulative backup. Let us understand more detail with the diagram. Okay, as we can see here, on Sunday we taken a full database backup, that is level 0 backup we are taken. And if I want to take a level 1 cumulative backup on Monday, whatever the blocks changed since the Sunday level 0 backup to Monday, that is the level 1 cumulative backup. Okay, and if I wanted to take a backup on Tuesday, okay, the blocks changed since the level 0 to Tuesday, that is the cumulative level 1 backup. Hope you are understanding well about this one. Okay, if I wanted to take a level 1 cumulative backup on Wednesday, again from level 0 to Wednesday, the backup will be taken. The changed blocks backup will be taken. Okay, here the level 0 plus all the block changes since level 0 to Wednesday, we are taking the backup. But in the differential level 1 backup, what it was happening, if I wanted to take a backup on Wednesday, only the change blocks which is happened from Tuesday to, since level 1 Tuesday to Wednesday only we used to take, correct? But here from level 0 to Wednesday we are taking. That is the difference. The size of the file will be more here in this level 1 cumulative backup. From level 0 to Wednesday we are taking, but there since Tuesday only we are taking on Wednesday. The number of files will be more in differential level backup. The number of files will be less in this cumulative level 1 backup. Suppose something happened to my database on Friday afternoon. Okay, I will be having a level 1 cumulative backup on Friday. And Sunday level 0 backup also we have. So with these two files only I can recover my database. Hope you're understanding about this one. Okay, if something happened Friday afternoon and I have only a differential level backup, so how can I recover that database with the all the number of files which I have, like Sunday to Monday, Monday to Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday, Wednesday to Thursday, Thursday to Friday, all those files plus level 0 files required to recover that database. So the recovery of the speed will be very faster in this cumulative level 1 backup, because we have only two files here to recover the database. But in the differential level backup, the number of files will be more. Okay, so the time will be taken more there, but we can take the backup very fast in the differential level backup, differential level 1 backup. Why? Because only the changed block since the yesterday we are taking, only the changed block since the yesterday we are taking in the differential level 1 backup. Okay, if I wanted to take differential level 1 on Thursday, only since the changed between yesterday we are taking the backup. But if I wanted to take a backup on Friday, level 1 cumulative backup, from again level 0 to level 1 till Friday we are taking whatever the change of blocks happened in the database. With the RMAN we are taking from level 0 to Friday. Okay, this is about the level 1 cumulative backup. Hope you are understanding about the difference between the level 1 differential backup and as well as the level 1 cumulative backup in RMAN. This is the command we are using to take the backup. The script, whatever it is mentioned here, we need to connect to the RMAN utility, and we need to allocate the channel here. After allocating the channel, this is the main command: incremental level 1 backup, incremental level 1 cumulative database. So if I wanted to take this backup, okay, there should be a one important mandatory backup. Which one? That is level 0 backup. Okay, we need to check whether do we have level 0 backup or not. If we don't have, first we need to take a backup incremental level 0 backup database. So After that we can take the level 1 cumulative backup. This is about the level 0 backup, cumulative level 1 backup. So hope you all are understanding about this one. If you have any doubt, please let me know so that we can discuss again.